Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are here at Manville Railroad Crossing, abandoned railroad crossing at Compton near Carson. As you may see, there's one other crossing right there. That one's still active. However, this one right here is not active. This is going to be a weird crossing tour because basically, here's why. Well, number one, no. That's not the number one reason. Well, first of all, I'm gonna say I have multiple requests to do this crossing after I filmed a abandoned crossing like near Dumamo Railroad Crossing, Santa Fe Avenue Railroad Crossing, and Dominguez Hills Railroad Crossing. They sent me this crossing with the link address to Google Maps. There was a lot of good setups until this right now. It's missing. But anyways, number one is the weird thing. Yeah, this is the entire setup. Number two, they abandoned it and then parked those trailers right there. And number three, I have no idea why they abandoned it. Anyways, it's like the same setup. There was like another crossing over there at Opera. But anyways, the first signal here, we have a Harmon base. And we had the emergency information at WC. The dot number of this crossing is 0903183R. Owned by Union Pacific. The rear light, the mast lights are missing. Here's the crossing. But the overhead lights are Harmon 12x20 lights with LEDs. This one had the track out of service. And we have the bell, we have a Satran mechanical bell. Actually, drivers drove it in this crossing. As you see, this tracks right here is completely abandoned. Here's the relay case. It's completely blacked out. Here's the milepost. Milepost of this crossing is 0.17. Owned by UP. You can see this crossing have an open lens. Got a picture of that. And here's the other side, what it looks like. It's covered in containers now. There goes the food truck. Now let's go across the street. This section is kind of a little busy, so I'm just gonna hurry up. Here's the second crossing. See, right here is overgrown. It's like dirt up. We have another Harmon cantilever. Merge information. Here's where the lights used to be mounted. Then we have another Harmon 12x24 lights, 12x20 up top. As you can see, these lights are like flipped up. Some odd reason. And then the bell right here is stolen. It was another mechanical bell. I gotta take a picture. Anyways, that way's heading towards the end of the line. And this way is heading towards the UP, I think Harbor or San Pedro Junction, but I'm not too sure. But yeah, here we are at this abandoned crossing at Manville Avenue. Over and out.